Good morning to all of you. Yesterday, the Honorable Justice Anup Jairam Bambani of the Delhi High Court gave a slew of directions to the intermediaries, search engine owners regarding a removal of the content on the online platforms. Because even though section 69A is there, which empowers the central government to block certain sites, High Court also can do it. It has got inherent powers, and the intermediates, they have to follow the directions of the court, and they have to remove the content which is online within 24 hours. This was the direction given by Justice Bambani. Why this thing happened? A woman, we should not tell her name, complained to the High Court that her photos, of course they are not pornographic, her photos were taken from her Facebook and Instagram accounts. They were posted in the pornographic site with derogatory captions. Immediately we know people how they react. So such 15,000 views have come, and all of them started very abusive, offending comments against the woman, asking her to come, whatever, some nonsense has taken place. She has approached the National Cyber Crime Portal, reported the matter, no action. She has approached the jurisdiction police, no action. Ultimately, she has come to the High Court and she has produced all the relevant material. Right? Immediately, the High Court Justice, this Bambani, he has given directions to the so-called intermediaries that the online content which is pornographic or which is offensive, which is abusive, which cannot be seen by the ordinary people, to remove the same within 24 hours, and they are bound to do it. But some of the service providers, they expressed their inability to fully and effectively remove the same. This is the problem. So the judge said, errant parties immediately merrily continue to repost and redirect such content from one website to other site, and from online one platform to another platform, thereby cocking a snook at directions issued against them pending legal proceedings. That means they are not at all following, they are not at all removing. Some people, they have expressed their inability. It's not correct. Actually, you may be knowing, Facebook, yes, they said that, and they are also owners of Instagram even, they said they have got a robust privacy policy. And Google, during the hearing, Google has stated that it has no opposition in removing the access to the offending content as may be directed. If the court directs, definitely they will remove the same. Right? So even though the woman allegations are like incidentally, since her photos are not pornographic, but she feels defamed online, is it not? So definitely that has to be removed. So the directions, the main important point I tell you. So the directions are like this. Number one, the content should be removed within 24 hours. But at the same time, the content should be preserved. It should be kept for 180 days. Why? Because it will be useful for investigation by the police. Tomorrow, the defendant may say that I have not at all uploaded the so-called pornographic message or the so-called comments, the horrific comments. So how to prove the same? The material should be on record. So for that purpose, the judge says that besides removing the same, they have to keep the information, to preserve all information and associated records also relating to the offending content, at least for a period of 180 days for use in the investigation. This is more important, right? So these directions, definitely they should be fulfilled by the intermediaries. Even though we say that according to section 79 of the Information Technology Act, intermediaries are not liable for anything. But if directions are given, if they flout the directions, definitely they are liable, because they have to face the legal proceedings, right? when the court directs the removal of the content, it is the duty of the intermediary to remove the same. He should not express any inability. So way back, about 5 or 6 years back, you may be seeing Delhi administration versus Facebook and Google case. In that case, Mark Zuckerberg said that it is against the policy. That means, suppose if they remove the content, somebody can sue them under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. That is, he has indulged himself in the right to against right to privacy. Of course, nowadays it's changed. Now a situation has come where if the judge gives directions, definitely you have to oblige and remove the content. So good judgment, read it and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you.